All right, so what you're about to see is a testing of wash fastness for the Diebold Everything Else dye. And this is actually our blue dye. And you can see it looks a little bit purplish, right? And I am airbrushing the blue dye upon a white cotton towel. And I'm using a straight edge here to keep the dyes only to one side and prevent it from going to the other side, which is often needed when restoring a rug. In this case, we're testing this color so that one of our clients can see that the Everything Else dyes work for dyeing cotton rugs. So I'm just adding some water here to our steamer. And the Everything Else dyes must be heat set so that they can be wash fast. So I'm just taking a few seconds here to steam the area. And you want a dry steamer. You don't want a steamer that drips water because you want the dyes to be set before any moisture touches it. And now I'm about to pour some water upon the area that I just dyed. And you can see that there's no dye movement whatsoever. The dyes are immediately wash fast. And you're gonna see here that there is no color transfer on the other side of the towel. That's it. If you have any questions, find me at Facebook, Isa, the Rug Colorist, or you can find our website, dieboldacademy.com. Thank you for watching.